fire escape inspection summary video. Inspector Alan Toll. I'm a certified fire escape inspector and licensed architect here in California. We're here for pre-load test inspection, a pass-fail inspection, determining if this fire escape is ready for load test. We're looking for a couple of things. The fire escape is structurally sound and that it has been kept painted. This fire escape could use a little bit of paint, maybe just some spot painting, maybe 25%. It's got a few spots of peeling paint, which are a hazard. But overall, it looks pretty good. So it has been painted. It is structurally sound. However, I do have a couple of concerns. But in order to certify this fire escape, we have a number of options. We could load test it. All the connections are original hardware. So as you can see, all square head bolts. A few little minor obstructions along the way. We could partially restore and load test. In other words, any bolt that's replaced would not need a load test. But if we replace a bolt that does not need to be load tested, our third option is to provide an opinion affidavit that states that best to our opinion, knowledge, and belief that this fire escape is ready for its intended use. In order to do that, we would need to have permission that is acceptable to the owner's insurance carrier and from the city, and also that we are held harmless. The city and the fire escape engineer is held harmless if that is the option that you choose to pursue. Basically, we can pass this fire escape with a number of caveats that can be handled. I'll show below. But number one, the ladder from the bottom platform to the grade needs to be serviced. There is a sticker on there that's back from 2006 or so, but looks to be in good order. But we can get someone out here to grease it and test it, make sure it's operating properly. Other thing is just again some routine maintenance. There are a few stringer clips that I'd like to. They're starting to show a little bit of separation, and I'll show you those as I go down. So I'm up on the top platform. This is the 6th platform. But other than that, this is in relatively good order. The ladder to the roof is in good order. The rungs are punched through. I don't see any, all the connections back to the brick, the masonry are in good order. Again, you know, we can't, these all appear to be in pretty good order. Railings are in good order. Again, just some spot painting, a little bit of cleanup too, a lot of soot and bird droppings. So if you opt to paint it, but cleaning this up and caulking some of the connections will allow this fire escape to last a lot longer. I'll start to drop down here. So these are some of the clips. This one isn't as bad, but some of the clips are starting to separate. So what we could do is replace those bolts and take a look at that connection and make sure that it's clean of any rust. Scrape it down to bare metal, prime it, paint it, caulk it, and bolt it. We can give you some suggestions on how to do that. It's pretty easy repair. Again, maybe clean out some of these connections from the treads to the stringer, but I don't see any internal rust. It's a galvanized system, so everything is in pretty good order. No problems at all with any of the cement sealed properly. No damage to the masonry at all that I see. Again, just a few little loose slats there, but nothing major. So I'm going to come down and then just show a little bit more, and then I'm going to go down to the bottom platform and continue my video inspection. So if you have any questions, fire escape engineers, 866-649-0333.